Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's move to this settings bar and let's focus on the button, the second from the left. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now we have to pick this settings button to open the advanced camera settings, and here in the capture category at the second position we have geotagging, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or the mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see the photo, let's move to the left side to this button. When we pick it, we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture. To check its location, we have to just simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we get access to more details about it with the map and the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.